Ófærð, eða Trapped eins og þáttaröðin heitir í Bretlandi, á dagskrá BBC 4 á laugardagskvöldum, en sá tími yfirleitt lagður undir norrænar sakamálaseríur. Að jafnaði horfa yfir 1.000.000 manns á þættina og Ófærð hefur ekki síður slegið í gegn hjá gagnrýnendum, meðal annars þeim sem hafa sérhæft sig í að skrifa leiki sjónvarpsefni og þá ekki síst norræna þætti.
I'm really enjoying it. It's a big hit with readers of my magazine, Radio Times, because we love mysteries and we really love so-called Nordic noir.
I'm really enjoying it. I would say hooked is probably a more accurate description. Love the characters, can't work out who's done the murder yet. Thought I knew and then had to have a rethink. I
like the fact that we don't see very much Iceland on television normally. It's not a country that a lot of us know about. We don't see programmes about it. And I certainly don't remember seeing a drama from Iceland before. So it's got that sort of, in the nicest possible way, that strangeness about it.
I think it has the combination of the crime and the personalities, the more personal, the domestic drama that all of these series do so well. There's a main backbone of narrative, obviously the whodunit, but as well there are all these other things, the family, the ways of relating to your neighbours, the compassion for the wider world, all of these things that we've seen do so well in The Killing and The Bridge particularly, they're all evident in this series as well.
I think Trapped is quite distinct from things we've seen before because it's probably a lot more traditional, I would say. It doesn't have a strong female lead character. We've seen The Killing and The Bridge over here, and they have very strong female, very complicated female characters, which is sort of slightly not of the norm, really, whereas Trapped, it's mainly men, isn't it, who do all that make the decisions, and you've got that great big police chief who runs the investigation, and then even the detectives, the idiot detectives who come in from Reykjavik. It's all men making the decisions.
Bæði morðið á Geirmundi Jónssoni og morðið á Hrafni Eysteinsinni bæjarstjóra. Ég ætla ekki að svara henni spurningum í dag, ég ætla að segja nokkur orð til bæjarbúa.
So everybody watching The Killing was obviously very kind of intrigued by the darkness of the crime and the way everybody was walking around at night wearing sort of big jackets. Obviously Sarah Lund had her jumper. Then in The Bridge it was even more of this. These were people working alone. They seem to be more and more isolated. Well, they have ramped it up for Trapped. Everybody is so isolated because there is Andre working against the elements. It's this weather that we can't get over. I mean, the idea of going out in that weather, let alone shopping, let alone driving, would just be alien to us.
It's the thing about subtitles. I mean, you'd think that, oh, it's a bit distracting and nobody wants to watch that. But I think we've all found with subtitles, you really have to pay attention. It's not like I can do the ironing while I'm watching Trapped or anything, because I have to look, because obviously I need to know. I don't speak Icelandic, clearly, and I need to know what's going on. So you're really focused on something and you have to pay attention, and that really draws you in. So we love our subtitles.
It's given me a fresh respect for people living in these conditions. I mean, in London we complain if it rains for sort of 4 days in a row, we all start thinking that gods have turned against us. But what it does is it really sheds a light on that way of life. I'm fascinated by how the people relate to each other, because obviously the weather, it goes from being very, very dark. I mean, I believe there's an Icelandic word for the euphoria that everybody feels when it's spring and everybody starts leaping out like sort of spring animals into the sort of brightened days. And I'm really fascinated by the changes in that. I would love to see more Icelandic drama now. Ásgeir segir að björgunarsveitir sé mætt. Tæknindeitin kemst